Today we have a session about the first aid training for our students for international airline business, so they can get a chance to put their hands on the first aid training, which is very important for everyday life, and you can bring this to the job in the future as well. So this is a part of in-flight passenger service subject that I'm the one who teaching them. So today we're bringing a special guest here to do the training for them, so they can get a chance to learning from the professional one as well.
To get everyone ready for actually cabin crews for the airlines, one of the most important skills they can learn, or critical skills, is CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. And the importance of it is when they're in flight, if a passenger winds up suffering some type of cardiac event, they need to know how to check for responsiveness and check for breathing and determine, does that passenger need CPR? And if they do, how to effectively communicate that with the other cabin crew members and to start performing CPR. Now, it's not just for when someone's on the aircraft, it's for any event that might happen to someone anytime they're out, with friends, with family. So one of the most important skills that we can teach people to empower them to save lives is learning how to assess somebody for responsiveness and breathing, calling for help, and starting CPR. The sooner we learn those life-saving skills, the greater the chance we have of saving somebody when we see this happening. So that's the importance that not just for cabin crew, but everybody learns CPR and basic first aid training. So that's what our goal is for today.
Today I feel like confident to help each other and prepare to help some the emergency case in the future, and I developed to the career like cabin crew.
For today, like CPR and first aid class, I think it's a really great opportunity for me to learn, also like helping other people and CPR, which for me, I'm pretty sure that I have to use this one in my life.
I hope you guys come this class because it's helped you a lot, and teachers got this so funny and really